Hey, bro, getting active. Hey, look at it. Dude. What up, y'all? We doing a nighttime POV. Good old SRT8. Trying to see how this goes. Damn. You know where I come from. I guess I only upload when there's traffic, bro. Can't do nothing right now. I can't even get over it. Like, bro's just driving in the center lane. He driving in the turn lane. How y'all been doing though? Shit. Oh God. Man, keep this going though, for real. Shout out CMB Lil Frey, CMB Lil Ron. I said Lil Ron, CMB Ron. Man, I can't do nothing, bro. Shit. They ain't got jack dude. Dang, I can't even see the traffic, bro. And it sucks cause, bro, I only make videos like shit. When I be coming from the gym, like I just got done with the gym. I got my gym shit on right now. And that's that. I mean, shit. I don't be driving this to work. I drive my other car to work. So much traffic, bro. It's always traffic. Civic, there's another Civic in front of you. Get this bitch going though, for real. Man, look, there's a Charger right there. That bitch, I think it's an RT. They had the Dodge shit up there. Come on, bro. Get that shit on, bro. Speed it up, bro. Yeah, somebody just got over it. I think that was a truck. Damn. What are you slowing down for? There's a train. Hey, look at that big dog. Hey, train's cool as hell. I don't care what nobody say, bro. Trains is cool as fuck, bro. That shit's cool as hell. That shit, bro. I'm just heading home right now. I had got off work not too long ago. That's why it's dark, you know. I figured I'd make a video. You know, why not? Since I can, you know what I mean? And it ain't too dark. Normally it be dark as fuck when I think about making a video. It'd be pitch black, and my tint don't help, you know what I mean? Y'all can like look at that. And that's the fronts. The fronts is lighter than the backs. I got that 5. His ass tweaking. That blue back there. I don't know. What he has. We just did all that just to do this, bro. Damn, and I can't even get over. Dude behind me got over. Now this car going slow, bro. Watch this. Oh, I thought that was the boys right there. No cap. Dude following me, bro. I got you, my boy. We can get active if you want to get active. Shit. I don't give a fuck what you drive. Damn. Watch this dude. Bitch ass. Now he back there and I'm up here. How you feel, bro? Damn. Bro right here finna get over, but I can't get over. I'm trying, yo. I'm trying to cut up, but shit, man. Big ass U-Haul. Hell no, my shit going on. Damn, that nigga ain't got no lights on. Oh shit, I shouldn't have said that. Hey, bro is behind me. He behind me again, bro. Hell no. Oh shit, bro. No gang member? Yeah, he knew what he was doing, bro. ahead, truck. I'm gonna be behind you. Come on, my boy. Hey, that's the nigga that was following me. What the fuck is that, bro? Hell no. Hey, that bitch brand new to him, too. He driving slow as hell now. He like, damn, ain't no way. Slow as you are, bro. Buddy boy. Is bro brake checking me? Is that what that was, bro? Bro, I get even closer, bro. Don't play me, bro. I'll be on your ass, bro. I think he might think I'm mad at him, bro. Shit, bro, I ain't mad at you. I'm just cutting up with you, my boy. No, he's not as he behind the Durango now. We can't cut up no more. Damn. Damn, this shit crazy. I hope it look good to y'all. You know what I mean? I hope y'all can hear fine too, because I got my window down. I'm gonna try it with this one. Shit, bro. Man, my shit going off. Niggas sitting in there, bro. Get this shit going though, for it. Damn, y'all see that? What the fuck? What the hell was he doing, bro? His whole car just shook when he did that. That nigga was getting dressed or something. What the fuck? Damn, I wonder if y'all seen that. Okay, I'm not trying to stay on this road, but I'm gonna stay on. Get y'all a little good content. Putting up in traffico. Damn, there's. Damn. Man, see, this kind of, I don't know. This kind of why I don't want to live in no big city. I ain't even in a big city. I'm in the middle of kind of like nowhere. And I don't even know, bro. Like, this traffic is bad. I can't imagine 4 lanes of this bullshit, bro. I mean, I guess this ain't bad for some of y'all, but I mean, shit, bro. This bad for me, bro. Nah, when I was in Cali, though, that traffic was different traffic. I know people be talking about, like, Chicago traffic and shit like that, bro. That Cali traffic is something else, bro. See if we can make something happen here. Somebody go faster. A little bit. Just tap that motherfucker. Come on, bro. Shit. Somebody get something going. Man, bro. Damn, well, I hit y'all when I can do something, bro. Hey, bro, getting active. Hey, look at it there. Oh, I can't fit. I'm in this fat ass boat. Damn. Hey, come on, bro. Get your ass back here. What you thought this was? Bye-bye. Thank you, dog, bro. Shit. Damn, I gotta get my ass over. Alright, y'all. That's probably gonna be the end of this shit. I'm gonna head home, bro. I will catch y'all in the next one. Appreciate y'all watching this if y'all made it this far. Like I said, I'll catch y'all in the next one.